Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sai from Malayala. I know it's been a very long since I posted a video, but I really want to show you the IIT Delhi campus. Recently, I got a chance to visit IIT Delhi. My friend Utkarsh have invited me there to explore their campus. He's currently pursuing his masters MTech there. While he is from NIT Warangal Civil, he is an exchange student here at IIT Delhi from NIT Warangal, which he got a chance in his third year. There are almost 5 to 6 gates we chose to enter from gate number 1 in IIT Delhi. So this is in the Hostels area of Delhi. For all the visitor vehicles, you have to collect a RFID cards, and particularly visitors are not allowed to stay in the campus with their vehicles, right? So that's why they give you this RFID, which you need to return it when you exit the campus. So similar to NIT Warangal, entering the main gate will take you through the roundabout where you take left, goes to girls hostels and director bungalow professors quarters, and right and towards street is complete lecture hall complex, and if you go straight you go to ground and boys hostels. The buildings which you are seeing on the either side of these roads, on the left and on the right, are lecture hall complexes.
That's the significant ultimate IIT Delhi logo.
Oh, nice. The one you are seeing on the left is cafeteria for them, and near to the lecture hall complexes. And the best part I observed in IIT Delhi is it's full of greenery. That's the best part. This is sports complex. Swimming pool. SAC, okay. Student activity center. Where is cricket ground then? Cricket ground. Nice. You have separate for cricket and football.
This is cricket. There we have basketball, and there we have soccer.
Oh, nice. Area wise, IIT Delhi and NIT Warangal is almost similar, but the way IIT Delhi planned their campus is very good. I would say they didn't wasted any space. They have utilized it in a proper way. And the block which you are seeing on the right is the IIT Delhi Hospital and Pharmacy, which is strategically placed in equal distance from all the hostels and all the buildings. So that's really good. And if you go straight, you'll just reach boys hostels, where the names of these hostels are named after different mountain ranges. You get to see Karakoram, Nilgiris, Nalanda, Ratnagiri, Dronagiri and all, right? So these are the hostels there, and there are in multiple places of the campus you get to see some general stores, and you also have these Yulu bike zones everywhere spread across the campus where you can rent out Yulu as well. So I have also rented it out in my last visit. So everything is occupied actually. చెట్లు పెట్టేసి అన్నిటికీ బిల్డింగ్స్ మంచిగా ఒక సిటీలా ఉంది లోపల.
Now we are going to SAC.
Yeah, SAC, Student Activity Center. Wow, these places are very good, bro. Peaceful. You can just come and sit.
Yeah.
Now it's kind of crowded, I feel, but Sunday it will be empty, I guess. We are in IIT Delhi campus near to boys hostel, and you see here peacock. That's so cute. That's so good, bro. Just a normal day in IIT Delhi with peacocks. We are here at Zanskar hostel, bro. But look of this hostel is very good, right?
Yes, 100%.
Yeah. Wish NIT Warangal also have these kind of hostels.
Very good. Food is also good.
Oh, seriously?
Yes.
Nice. So we are just having lemonade here, just opposite to Zanskar Hostel in IIT Delhi. It's so refreshing. We are trying to rent this Yulu out here. IIT campus lo chala zones ఉన్నాయి ఇట్లా Yulu zones. ఇలా చిన్న bikes you can actually rent it out. First time try చేస్తున్నా. Hopefully it opens. Bro, it's coming.
Battery low.
Battery low.
Yeah.
Tried to unlock that Yulu, but it's out of battery. So let's find one more Yulu.
Bro, there it's a good place for.
What is that?
Little sports hub.
Even though it's sunny, it's very good actually, the breeze and all. Oh, so this is the lecture hall campus of IIT Delhi, main lecture hall campus. And here's central library. There is some canteen and sitting area. Very good. Wow, it's very big actually. The OG IIT Delhi logo. చాలా మంది ఇక్కడ ఫోటో దిగుతారు. You can see this Indian flag and IIT Delhi flag. And yeah, finally somehow in one of the Yulu zone we could find a Yulu which is battery full and I could rent it out easily. And like we took the help of one of my friend, I said right, Utkarsh. Along with Utkarsh there is other one of our senior who just joined for MBA at IIT Delhi. So he just rented it out for us, and I just went for a spin on Yulu because I wanted to try, since it's my first time. I was kind of excited for it. This is very cool actually. I really loved riding Yulu across the campus. So these are some kind of the things which each and every college should bring up and put in different places across the campus, which students can actually use it. So you're going to find it very useful when you want to attend the sessions as soon as possible, like you are very late to the class or you are very late to the lab. So you just pick a Yulu and just ride it to your class or lab, whatever, right? And like when it rained, after the rain, I heard like my friend Rutkash was mentioning that like people just take this Yulu for a rent, and I mean group of friends will take it multiple Yulus for a rent, and they just put a speaker in someone's bag and just play some good music and roam around the campus. Wow, that's so cool, right? So I wish all the colleges, even of course mainly IIT Warangal, should also put up something like this. Almost I rode this Yulu for almost like more than 20-25 minutes, and where this is the Yulu zone which I actually rented it out. It's near to the girls hostel, Kailas girls hostel. So even the girls hostels are named against mountain ranges, right, similar to the boys hostels. So the campus was really very well utilized, I believe, and the spaces like really maintained, clean and neat. I really loved the vibe in the campus. You can just see few more shots of me riding Yulu across the campus. Yeah, we decided to have a lunch within the campus itself, and we have just gone to the Bikagane biryani stall which is present within the campus. So there are a lot of other restaurants as well and restaurant chains as well. So this is the whole building where they have dedicated spaces for different stores like Xerox, stationery, dry cleaning, laundry, literally you need not to go out at all. So you are going to get everything in the campus, and there is this Istara app from which you can order food from this particular place directly, which will get delivered to your hostel. And there is this general store as well, and there is this Bikaner Wala, Khadi India, and a lot of this. I couldn't read it out, but yeah, this is something which I felt is really cool, which makes campus feel like complete. Almost after spending 4 to 5 hours, we just came out of the campus. I'm pretty sure in this particular video you have actually seen more than 70 to 80% of the campus. Yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. please do subscribe if you haven't done yet. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Signing off.